What if I told you? Some of the most normal things in your life are not what they seem. Your eyes, your memory, and even your sense of self can quietly mislead you every single day. These facts are real. They are verified. And once you know them, you'll never see daily life the same way again. Stay until the end, because the final fact changes how you understand who you really are. Fact 1. You never see reality in real time. You believe you're seeing the present moment, but you're not. Your brain needs time to process light, color, and movement, so what you see is actually a slightly delayed version of reality. Your brain predicts what should be happening next and fills in the gaps. This means your vision is not a live feed. It's your brain's best guess of the world. Reality is always one step ahead. Fact 2. Most memories are not accurate. Every time you remember something, your brain rewrites it. Memories are not stored like video recordings. They are rebuilt using emotions, feelings, and imagination. That's why two people remember the same event differently. Confidence does not mean accuracy. Your strongest memory might be the one that changed the most. Fact 3. Your brain works harder during sleep. When you sleep, your body rests, but your brain becomes extremely active. During sleep, your brain cleans itself, removes waste, and organizes memories. Dreams are not random. They are your brain processing emotions and testing ideas. Sleep is not rest for the brain. It is maintenance. That's why poor sleep affects mood, focus, and decision-making. Fact 4. Your body sense is easy to trick. Your brain creates a map of your body, but that map is fragile. Simple experiments can make your brain feel a fake hand as part of your body. This proves something important. Your sense of self is not fixed. It is constantly rebuilt by your brain. You don't just live in your body. Your brain imagines it. Fact 5. The old you no longer exists. Every cell in your body is replaced over time. Your thoughts change. Your beliefs change. Your personality evolves. Scientifically speaking, you are not the same person you were years ago. You are an updated version. The past you exists only in memory, and that means something powerful. You are allowed to change. You are allowed to grow. You are not stuck being who you were. Reality feels solid, but your mind tells a different story. If this video made you think, follow Daily Mind Facts for more truths hiding in plain sight. Because when you understand your mind, you understand life better.